My name's Ian Larnach and I'm a counsellor and community representative for Rural Aid covering New South Wales. Farm recovery events are a wonderful innovation of Rural Aid where we identify farmers who could really do with a bit of a hand. We go in and scope an area which has been affected by disaster. The volunteers do an amazing job. The farmers tend to welcome them with open arms, which is quite amazing. You see a lot of transformation in farmers and communities after we've been there. Not only the work that gets done, but the human contact, the warmth that follows. It really is a holistic model of care. We'll stay involved with the community from that time on. We're always ringing, seeing how they're going, or if there's another disaster, we're following up, seeing what help we can give them. It's not a lot out of my time, or a volunteer will say it's not a lot out of their life, but it makes the world of difference for these farmers. It can be quite life-changing. We tend to make friends for life.
My name's Murray Smith. I've been self-employed farmer for, say, 45 years. Very old family farm, 4 generations. It's been brilliant since Ian's come along because I'm just rejuvenating the farm, getting back on track. I had a bit of a disaster with my life and with my family, and I just need to get back on my feet. And I think Ian's going to be the guy that will do it for me and my family.
The Quartermaster's been really handy in being able to pick things up to take out to farms or to take out to farm recovery events. Recently I was able to pick up a lot of donated star pickets. Without a vehicle like the Quartermaster I couldn't have done that, so I was able to load those up and take them straight to the farm recovery event, and they were very useful. We've been incredibly fortunate at Rural Aid to have the support of INEOS and the vehicles they've supplied, which are the Grenadier Quartermasters. They're such a good vehicle. I cover all of New South Wales in this vehicle, and it gets me into places that are pretty inaccessible. The Grenadier just does it all with ease.